Hello friends, welcome to Maths is Easy and welcome to the new video. So we are doing linear equations in one variable of class 8 exercise 7.3. Exploring Mathematics is the name of the book of Goel Brothers Prakashan. We are doing statement questions. So while doing statement questions, you have to clear about some points. The points are, first of all, read the question very carefully. I am repeating, read the questions very carefully, go through the statement, and as per the statement, as per the single sentence, you have to go with your question. So we are doing question number 5 here. Let's see how to do it. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 10 and the digit at units place is 2/3 of the digit at tens place. Find the number. As I have said earlier, go through the questions very carefully. Be considerate about the reading of the question. How you are reading, just be thorough about it. So the question is, sum of the digits of two-digit number is 10. Sum of the digit means a two-digit number is given, and if we add the two digits of that number, the sum would be like the sum would be like 10. And second thing, we have been given that digit at units place is 2/3 of the digit at tens place. So first indication is given as this statement. So we will be starting the question, we will be starting the solution with this sentence only. So let the digit at tens place be, we assume digit at tens place be x. So digit at units place is given as 2/3 of the digit at tens place. So 2/3 of digits at 10 place means 2/3 of x. Now according to the question, if we add both of the digit of a number, that is units place and tens place, not we don't have to add the place values, but we have to add the face value of the digits. So x plus 2 by 3x equal to 10, as it is given in the question. The sum of the two digits of a digit of a number is 10. So we have made our statement like this. Now take the LCM. LCM will be coming out to be as 3. Divide the 3 with 1, as no denominator is given, and 1 and 3 would be coming out to be as 3, and multiply 3 with 1, that is 3x plus 2x equal to 10, that is 5x is equal to 10 into 3. If we cancel it out, we will be coming with the 6. So digit at units place is 2 by 3x. This is x means digit at tens place. So we will be deriving out digit at units place 2 by 3x means 2 by 3 into 6, that is 4. Therefore our number will be framed as 64. It was all about question number 5, the statement question, how to deal with the numbers question. Have the full glance of the question. Any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubt by commenting into the comment box. Let's move further with the sixth question. Before starting the sixth question, I want you to remind that I have solved many chapters of Exploring Mathematics like rational numbers, algebraic expressions, exponents, compound interest, direct and inverse variation. So you can go by the solutions through the description of this video. Moreover, you can check all the solutions from the playlist of the channel, and please do subscribe the channel as it motivates me to make more such solution videos. So question number 6 is, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. On reversing its digits, the new number obtained is 45 more than the original number. Find the number. So go through the question thoroughly. So sum of digits of a two-digit number. Our two-digit number is given to us, and if the two-digit number, the sum of the digits would be 9. Second thing is given to us, that is on reversing its digits, the new number obtained will be 45 more than the original number. So go by the sentences one by one. We will be assuming that let the number at tens place be x, number at units place be 9 minus x. Why 9 minus x? Because the sum of the digits are 9. So if we assume number at tens place x, units place automatically will be 9 minus x. So number will become what? 10x plus 9 minus x. This is tens place and this is units place. Now number obtained on reversing the digits, and if we reverse the digits means this unit place will be coming out to be tens place and this tens place will be coming out to be the units place. So if it is at units place it would be multiplied by 1, and if it is at tens place it would be multiplied by 10 only. Then we will frame our statement, we will frame our equation. So if we subtract old number from the new number, then we will be having 45 because the difference is 45. So multiply it. This is the new one and this is the old one. This is the old number and reversing digits number is this, and it is of course 45 more than the original number. So if we subtract original number from the reversing digits number, the difference would be 45. Now do the calculations. 10 into 9 90 minus 10 into x 10x plus x minus 10x plus minus 9 plus minus plus x, that is minus 9 and plus x equal to 45. Now solve the equation. 90, this is minus 20 minus 10 minus 20 and plus x plus 2x, so minus 20 plus 2x minus 18x plus minus 9, 45. This is 18x. So 90 minus 9 minus 18x would be 45. So 81 minus 18x equal to 45 minus 18x, 45 minus 81, it will be in the negative if we transpose it to the right hand side. So minus 18x minus 36, x is equal to 36 divided by 18, that is 2. So our number would be what? 27. X would be 2 and units place would be 7. Why? 9 minus 2 would be equal to 7. Because the sum of the numbers was 9, and if we subtract 2 from 9, the number would be 7. So number would be coming out to be as 27. So it was all about 6th question. Hope the whole question is clear to you. Any type of doubt is there? Do ask your doubts by commenting to the comment box. Have a full glance of the question once again. Let's move further. So 7th question is given as a number when divided by 6 decrease itself by 25. Find the number. So we will be assumed number be x and we will be dividing the number by 6, number itself by 6. So number divided by 6. So a number when divided by 6 decrease itself by 25 means if we subtract division by 6 from the original number, difference would be 25. So x minus x by 6 is equal to 25. Do the calculations. LCM 6, 1 division 6 into 1, 6x minus x equal to 25. 6x minus x 5x, 25 into 6, then x equal to 25 into 6 by 5, 5 5 is 25, the number would be 30. Therefore the number is 30. Have a full glance of 7th question. Do ask your doubts by commenting in the comment box. So it was all about today's video. In my upcoming videos I'll be solving more of the question of linear equation in one variable of class 8, Exploring Mathematics, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. Do comment me if you want me to solve another publication house books. So if you guys like my videos or it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much.